Magmukbang ako guys kasama ng aking apo. What's your name?
Kylie.
From Uncle Jack.
Uncle Jack.
Uncle Jack. Uncle Jack. Ayan.
Oh.
Ewan ko kung anong Uncle Jack. Uy, ikuha naman yan. Sila. Magmukbang tayo guys. Again, mukbang.
I'm hungry.
Sarap guys. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ang tayo.
I'm just hungry.
I'm so hungry. Ito, ito, ito.
I like it.
Kamayan. Half for me, half for you.
So good.
So good.
It's yum.
Hindi ako marati guys. Kaya kamay.
Take away.
I thought you done already. No.
How do you
Lagyan natin ng bagoong. Bagoong pangay. Give me the small spoon. This one. Small spoon. Go. Bagoong guys, bagoong. Mas lalong ganado sa pagkain. Late na guys. 10:20 in the evening. Binili ko to sa Raven Store. Bagoong. Yan guys.
What is this?
Diba? Yan ang sausawan ni PH.
I don't know what is this.
No, you cannot eat this.
What is this?
Called bagoong. O diba? Sama na yan. So, thank you so much guys. Guys, tapos na yung mukbang ni and Kylie. Look at the paper. Finish. Sarap pa rin papakin ng boss. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching PH2KL TV. And please subscribe also to Kylie Lim. That's the original Kylie Lim. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.